Hello, I'm Miss Lucia. Come join us on a learning journey. Is this the letter B or is it the letter D? Stick and a bubble is the letter B. Bubble and a stick. That's the letter D, lowercase d. What letter is this? Is this a P or a Q? A stick and the bubble at the top is the letter P, lowercase p. Bubble and then a stick, that's the letter Q, lowercase q. Q, the sound is qua, qua, qua. Lowercase p, the sound is pa, pa, pa. Case b, the sound is ba, ba, ba. Lowercase d, the sound is da, da, da.
To form the letter B, pull down with a stick, curve to the right once and twice to the bottom, pull down for the lowercase, go back up, curve to the right, and meet the stick on the left.
Introducing uppercase letter B. The sound is B, B, B.
B, 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 like bear.
B, B, B,
B, B, B, B, B, B, B. Presenting the letter B. B for birds, barn owl, brown pelican, blackbird, bluebird. B for butterflies. B for banana slug. B for balloons. B for basketball. B for bed. B for bottles. B for bud. B for blossoms. B for button. B for bears. Dog starts with D. Da, 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 da. The sound of D is da, da, da.
Writing the letter D. Start at the top line and pull a straight stick all the way to the bottom line. Go back up to the top and make a half a circle around and connect at the bottom. This is capital D. Lowercase d. Form a circle. Go up to the top line. I say go up the elevator, now go down the elevator and sit on the line. Capital letter D, lowercase letter d. For fun, we can give it a smiley face. The letters face each other. We say that the uppercase D is the father and the lowercase d is the small child, and they look at each other. We can put a small letter A here in the middle, and it spells dad, D-A-D, dad. This is a fun way to help remember that uppercase D looks at the lowercase d.
Presenting the letter D. D for daisies. D for daffodils. D for deer. D for donkeys. D for dolphins. D for ducks. D for ducklings. D for dog. D for dessert. D for dozen. There are 12 items in a dozen. D for diamond shapes. D for dress. P as in penguin. Pa, 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 pa.
Uppercase P, lowercase p. The sound is pa, pa, pa. Introducing uppercase P. The sound is pa, pa, pa. sound of P for penguin. P, P, P.
P for plums. P for pomegranates. P for peas. P for polar bear. P for puffins. P for porpoise. P for pufferfish. P for parrot. P for Peruvian Benetton.
The sound of Q for quail. Quack, 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 quail. 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 Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quail. Forming uppercase letter Q. Start at the top and pull to the left, forming a complete circle. Go around back up to the top and connect. Now go up into the circle about 1 finger's worth and pull down a stick. For lowercase q, start at the midline, go left to right, complete a circle, go back up, and now straight down past the lower line. Uppercase Q, lowercase q. The sound is qua, qua, qua.
Q. Q for quail. Q for quack. Q for queen's cape. Q for quilt. Q for quart, which is 4 cups of liquid. Q for quarters. Q for quartz. Q for question mark. Q for Quetzal. Q for quill.
What sound does Q make? Quack, 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 quail. What sound does B make? B, b, bear. D, d, dog. P, p, penguin.
Ooh, you did an amazing job. Keep practicing. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson.